Amy and Mark, late last year, an Illinois appellate court upheld Drew Peterson's murder conviction. But tonight, a bit of hope for the former Bolingbrook cop who is serving a 38-year prison term. The Drew Peterson case is headed to the Illinois Supreme Court. Peterson is asking the court to throw out his conviction in the murder of his third wife. Stephen Greenberg is Peterson's attorney.
I like to hope that they wouldn't have taken the case unless they were going to give us some relief. I think we've got some great issues.
A former police officer, Peterson gained infamy after his fourth wife, Stacy, disappeared in 2007. Authorities reopened the investigation into the death of his third wife, Kathleen Savio. Savio was found in a dry bathtub. Her death initially ruled an accident, but eventually Peterson was charged with murder. During the trial, jurors heard testimony from people who say Stacy Peterson told them she knew her husband killed Savio. It's called hearsay, and Peterson is challenging whether the testimony should be allowed.
Kathleen told people before she died, if anything happens to me, Drew did it. We all wish we could predict the future. Certainly a courtroom is no place to start testing out the theory of the crystal ball.
The Illinois Supreme Court typically takes up 5% of petitions filed, so WGN legal analyst Terry Sullivan says it's obvious there's a crucial issue in the Peterson case that the justices want to address.
This must mean that they have some idea that either they're favorable to him, I wouldn't read that into it, or that there are things that, as a Supreme Court, they have to straighten out and let us know what the law is in the state of Illinois.
Also included in the Peterson petition to the High Court, claims that trial lawyer Joel Brodsky had a conflict of interest due to media contracts he signed before trial. Brodsky says this is a silly side issue, and Peterson's current legal team should try a different approach.
I've got 4 judges that said I haven't done anything wrong, and I agree with those judges, and they should just concentrate on the merits of the case and the facts of the case.
For the family of Kathleen Savio, today's decision opens an old wound.
We never forget about Kathleen, and it's difficult every day to have to go through it, but this coming up again brings it up, but he's not going anywhere.
Even if the murder conviction is overturned, Peterson has other legal problems. He's accused of soliciting a hitman to kill Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow, who prosecuted Peterson for Savio's murder. Live in the newsroom, Tamon Bradley, WGN News.
All right,